be young consem. Y'all are welcome to this channel. With the beg say, if this be your first time, subscribe, share, like, and also comment. In this episode of our journey, I don't want to talk about some video be where a chance on where some nigga they claim say be the modern day Noah, God revealing body to him. Like, man, these things still they happen. Like, I don't figure say this thing be Bible inside way, these things they happen. But this man they claim say God they won't come destroy the earth like he do before for the Bible inside, you know. So he say make you are not the one talk chat. You must go watch the video. Can we come and then we'll continue them.
To my hand, Noah. Masunda
God have mercy.
And I'm missing me build the ark. Into ark na me building. Ark na me building. Kakra me frefro bia 2222 pairs. 2222 pairs. By 25th December na me we ark. I'm missing about the say we are saying. To me catch it up. Unim say obekwa. Ka hello I will go. Ka hello I will go. Anti akna na missing. Akna na missing.
After say he do in first video where he say nah the video they catch traffic, people they talk about the vibe, you know. Where he nah can life, can explain say in dream no God tell and say on the 25th it go rain heavy for here. So if you want join now, make you come bed here a day before the 25th December, no. So say you go fit join and then in the boat, then they do like 10 and then finish with 2. So you move watch the video, then listen from us, make aggressive, they explain things. So let me say if I come, but you move watch car.
Here before 25th December. 25th December. I said, listen to what I'm saying. I said 25th December is going to rain. It's going to rain, and this rain is going to last for 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 years, 4 years. We are going to be in the ark.
We are building 10 for now. You year 2. 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 Indiana be na egugu on. Indiana air short papa but still by Ochina be brain.
Yeah, so that be what know what they talk. I be nigga so see. Yeah, so you are the one make you comment what you two feel about it. Me, I know sure that they trust this thing. So I figure say those times where those things they happen, but now they. But if you they believe say it they happen or what you so you think about, and I beg make you drop them for the comments section side. You hear me? Then share, like the video. Thanks for watching. See you in another episode. Bye.
Second one, you can see the third one at the back. The third one at the back. I know so you go for a